Good morning. Today is Sunday, July 12th, around 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I recently did the video, but it just stopped. Maybe it's the Mercury retrograde. Anyway, what I was saying is this is for entertainment only, and my disclaimer is I really don't want people to, but same time, for people who continuously do bad things to other people and just bad in general. Sorry, not sorry, but will not I will not take up the high road for you. So I asked the universe, these are my oracle cards from Lisa Williams. I like these because they have different categories and they're color coded. They have some little meaning at the bottom, but I asked about what is happening in the universe of all three of them right now. I got autumn. Something's coming in autumn. I got dawn, which is new beginnings, new horizons. Everything new is coming with rain outside cleansing. Cleansing, everything is going to start coming together around autumn. So let's get into the tarot cards and see what we get. So I'm not really great at reading the tarot cards. I'm still kind of learning, but thanks to Crazy Rebel Joe, I got the sunset, and they do have some words on here, but we will definitely get into it. So let's shuffle and see what we get. Okay, before we ask, I heard many different things that LG, because he was sitting on the plane way too long and ended up with PE, and that's ask about MM. That's his new name, M&M's, LG, and DT. That's ask. Okay, I'm asking what's going to happen now that Lindsey Graham, sorry, LG is now gone. Let's ask what's happening now. LG is gone. What is happening now that LG is no longer here? The Five of Pentacles. Sorry, Page of Pentacles. Let's see. Let's continue to see. Hold on. Okay, I got the Five of Pentacles, the King of Wands, which is no longer king anymore, and Strength. Okay, so I'm getting the Page of Pentacles, a fresh new start, a new younger person coming into power. Someone's going to step into, a younger person is going to step into his power. This King of Swords is a natural born leader, who this young person is going to be charismatic, with strong convictions and willingness to protect what's the status quo for a specific agenda. So the strength I got, resilience, inner power, courage, rather than sheer dominance, it represents using grace and fortitude, emotional intelligence. So let's also deep little dive pod. Let's go into a little deeper. So all three together are saying that the aftermath is going to be an intense shifting of the Republican Party. Instead of chaos, the cards indicate a calculated, pragmatic process will be guided and bold by a charismatic leader. Ultimately, the nation and political landscape will be required to show immense resilience and fortitude. I asked if they're trying to keep M&M alive to hold on to power. I got the Ace of Swords. I got the Eight of Swords and the Hierophant. Let's ask. This Ace of Swords is definitely a breakthrough, raw truth, surgical intervention, medical crisis, where the truth will finally be revealed. This is definitely being trapped and bound, as you can see right here, by all these swords right here. Represents all of us intellectual power. All of these represent the hidden truth and suggest that there are still holding power to keep Eminem secret. The Ace of Swords also saying that it's not going to be a secret for long because he's about to cut through all this. It's not going to be a secret for long. Asked if Orange Face is really scared that the people will really try to, and I got the Two of Pentacles. This one says not really a threat. He's trying to balance between the two of them. So let's pull one more card and see what we get. I just asked if Orange Face is actually scared of the people. And let's just pull one and see what we get. Let's just pull this one. The Five of Swords. Not necessarily fear, but wants to win at all cost. That's what this card is saying. He knows he's going to soon anyway, so it's all about winning at all costs, no matter what, because he wants all his MAGA people to say, yay, look at me. So it is winning for him at all. Also, you can see kind of looking back, he says he's winning, and with a big smug on his face, smug look like I'm winning. See all these people down here? I'm winning. And he's delusional. I'm trying not to make the video too long, but I'm going to ask Spirit Guide about a couple different things that I already calibrated. Okay, Spirit, you're still here. Great, thank you. Did LG die of natural causes? Great, thank you. There's speculation that he had because he was sitting on a plane too long and ended up with a blood clot. Is that true? That's what a lot of people are saying, because he was on the plane too long and ended up passing from there. Okay, thank you. Is Eminem still physically here on this earth? Okay, thank you. Are there any brain functions? No. Is he clinically passed? Great, thank you. Are they trying to give the perception that he's still alive to hold his congressional seat? Great, thank you. Is it going to work? I'm getting a no. Okay, thank you. Is Dumpy Pants actually kind of afraid of the I and the Rand people? So they're saying yes, he is, I guess, afraid. Does he feel like he actually won? Okay, thank you. Do you think that they Rand people will follow through on their poster sign? Getting it, yes. Do you feel that they will him at some point? Okay, thank you. Is the reason he didn't get on that plane back from Turkey because it was with some sort of boom boom things? Was it actually, did it actually, if he got on that plane, would it been, um, was someone pew pew that plane if he actually got on that plane? You're saying yes. So that's why he's, I guess, scared. Okay, thank you. Anything else you have to say about, hold on. Saying that LG passed because he was not a very nice person to the people of his state. That's what we get. Let's find out about Eminem. It's about Eminem, and they are saying that his wife will come and, I guess, pull the plug because there no more brain function. Is that correct? Okay, so I got that the seat will go to another, and there will be a special election because people will know that he is before that election. That's what I'm getting as right now, the current energy. Remember, this is all allegedly, allegedly. So getting that Orange Face was the one that they gave that special drug treatment to for his disease. So that's a big yes. That's a big yes. If he's going to try and stop the contest in November, they're saying yes, he'll try, but will he succeed? No. Okay. Will he end up passing before the election? Great. Thank you. Okay, hold on. So I asked if you just should pull one more tarot card for the end of the reading, and they said yes. So let's see what we get. Make this up. The Magician and the Knight of Pentacles. These two cards together are officially the juggling is over. Does not rush into the battle blindly. It's methodical. Does not rush into battle blindly. He is definitely methodical and in his thinking. So things are definitely happening behind the scenes. So take what resonates with you. I know it's a long video, but I had to get it all in here at once. So I hope you all have a great day. And next week, let's see what happens. Because my guys are still saying July for Orange Face. Comes in threes.